Pretty girl, what's your name, what's your number? I got the keys to my dad's yellow Hummer. There's a party, you can come if you wanna go tonight, alright. See you later. Rocked up late, took a minute, but I found my mates. She was there acting cool, so I made her wait. Wasn't long, couple songs till I headed her way to say, damn.
Hey dogs, welcome to the vlogs. I don't know what day it is. I think the 21st of August. I could be wrong. We went to church already. I had lunch. It's been a very, up and at 'em day. So I thought I would show you my little first impressions review swatch kind of thing of the double exposure palette. The only makeup I'm wearing right now is eyebrows, so I wanted to try this out. Yeah, we're going to the mall today, and my mom was gonna watch a movie, but I'm just gonna be walking around, looking around, so I thought, why not try this out? I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but yeah. And my blue hair is fading. I'm kind of sad, but it kind of still looks cool. So if I have a lisp, it's because I'm eating candy right now, but I've only swatched one color, but I'm gonna swatch all the colors and I will get back to you. So this is the palette again, up close. So on the top row, we obviously have the lighter shimmery shades, and then the bottom row gets darker. So this is the top row. Now I will be honest, they aren't super crazy pigmented, but that is kind of to be expected because these are very pastel shimmery colors, just meant to swipe over the lid. It's not meant to be crazy pigmented. The bottom row obviously was way more pigmented since it was the dark colors. I do have to say my favorites are that burgundy shade right there, the shimmery burgundy version, and this purple. So I love the warm dark colors. Literally, I have been just sitting here relaxing on this chair by the window, watching Alicia Marie vlogs, but I accidentally ended up doing like a pretty dramatic look. This is what it ended up looking like. I did get like mascara all over the place. So the makeup I'm wearing is on the eyes, the Smashbox Double Exposure Palette. I played around with all the warm kind of colors. It looks really dramatic. I didn't mean for it to get this dramatic. Hey guys, I literally just ran up the stairs, so I'm a little out of breath, which does say something about me. I went to the mall. It's the same day, but we went to the mall and I just roamed for a little bit. I'm gonna show you a little haul because I didn't get that many things, but this bag is huge. Alright, first I went to Garage, and first I'm gonna show you the thing I got from my friend because I did get her a birthday present. Her birthday was so long ago. Danielle, if you're watching this, this is your present. This is what it is. I got her this shirt. It's an extra small, so I hope it fits her. I mean, she's really tiny. A really soft maroon top. It's long sleeves, and it has kind of like this turtleneck, I guess you could say. I hope it fits her, and I hope she likes it. I thought it was really cute and like fall kind of, so I got this, which I'm so excited about because I literally have two halter tops like this. I love these kinds of halter tops. This one's light pink. I loved it, but I went there today and it was on sale, so it was $8. A light pink color. It would look amazing with this choker. I went to Urban Planet. You will see why the bag was so huge in a minute. First, I'm gonna show you the piece of clothing. I got this top. I'm obsessed. If you didn't know, I absolutely love like these kinds of ringer tops, so that's why at first. Usually at Urban Planet they have lots of cheesy kind of tops like this just to be trendy, but I saw what this had on it and I was like, need to buy it. I love everything alien, like I'm one of those people. I know, you don't have to tell me. I'm sorry if you think it's basic or whatever, but I like it. This top has the little black rings, and it has this on it. It says Space Invader. It has a rainbow, which I love rainbows. And then it has a little alien cartoon, and the alien has his tongue sticking out with a peace sign. Me in a shirt. Ta-da! Isn't this the most adorable piece of room decor you've ever seen in your life? I love this because it's bright, it's kind of big, like this is my hand. This is gonna look nice on my bed with my pink and purple kind of theme. It's really colorful, which I like because my room is quite colorful. This looks like Homer's donut, Homer. And guess how much it was? It was really affordable. $12.99, everyone. That's my other big announcement. I'm gonna be doing a room tour. My mom has finally agreed to letting me do a room tour. So that will be happening. That will be in the mix. Hey dogs, welcome to the vlogs. Oh, I hate math. Me too. I hate math because I'm bad. I like English. English is my favorite. I hate science. I hate science. We're on the mission to find an aesthetically pleasing binder. Because I'm putting all the small ones here and then all the big ones here. We chose blues. Fun